Hi everyone! Today we're going to make books. Unopenable books that you can use to fill shelves or arrange in a stack, and openable books that you can actually flip through. Before we begin, I wanted to let you know that I've set up a Patreon page now. My aim is to pour more time into my passion and become a bit more self-reliant along the way. So if you're up for lending a hand, you can become a patron, have my endless gratitude, and get access to some extra footage and updates on my ongoing projects, some blueprints and printables. In addition, once a month I post 2 sneak peek sketches of upcoming projects, and you get to cast your vote on which one gets to become my new diorama. Now to the books. You will need pre-printed book covers and pages. Mine are about 2 or 3 centimeters long, but of course it depends on the scale. And you'll need a cardboard. Now look closely at the cardboard I use. It's a bit rough and kinda consists of pressed paper. I like to use specifically this kind because it looks like your books actually have pages. Unopenable books are simple. You cut the cover, glue it to the cardboard, and trim. See this texture? That's what I meant when I said that it looks like pages. Now to the openable books. For that you need an even number of pages that you fold like that. And glue the pages on the inside. See how many pages you actually need. The more pages, the more volume there is, but too many will make it hard for the book to close properly. Final stage, add the cover, trim where needed, and it's done. I will upload some printables to my Patreon page, so you're welcome to swing by. And thanks for watching, I hope you liked it. See you in the next video. Bye!